Looking for kitchen tools you'll actually love using every day? These 30-plus favorite gadgets are fan favorites for a reason. Smart, handy, and built to make cooking a breeze. Whether you're prepping, chopping, or organizing, there's something here for everyone. All product links are in the description below. Waffles just got an upgrade, and it's stuffed. This waffle maker lets you pack your favorite fillings right inside thick, fluffy Belgian waffles. Sweet or savory? You decide. Just pour in the batter, add your toppings, seal it with more batter, and let it cook to golden perfection. Want a regular waffle instead? Just remove the ring and go classic. Breakfast, lunch, or dinner, it's waffle time anytime. Why wait in line when you can make churros at home? This stainless steel churro maker lets you pipe perfect dough every time. Crispy outside, fluffy inside. With 6 nozzles and 9 discs, you can create classic churros, filled ones, or even fun-shaped cookies. It works like a cookie press, and the included piping bag gives you full control. Homemade treats have never been this easy, or this fun. This is a herb keeper that helps keep herbs fresh by maintaining the right balance of hydration and humidity. The basket promotes 360 degrees air circulation, while the lid keeps moisture in to preserve freshness. The hinged basket opens wide for easy access and protects delicate herbs like basil, parsley, and cilantro. A handle makes it easy to lift the basket in and out, and adding water to the bottom ensures your herbs stay hydrated. This is a set of freezer molds designed to make meal prep easier. Made from food-safe silicone with a steel-reinforced top and a convenient lid, they are perfect for freezing soups, sauces, and broths in portion sizes that suit your needs. The flexible and durable silicone construction ensures the molds are long-lasting and versatile. This is a versatile countertop organizer that can be used as a 3-tier corner shelf or a regular tiered shelf, adding extra space to your kitchen or bathroom. Its multifunctional design works well as a spice rack, coffee station organizer, plant stand, or even an oversinked shelf. It also includes 4 stainless steel hooks for keeping small tools like measuring spoons and peelers easily accessible. This is a pizza cutter wheel designed for effortless slicing. Its stable vertical pressure and large cutting wheel make it easy to get a clean, controlled cut through your pizza. The unique design fits comfortably in your hand, ensuring a smooth cutting experience. When not in use, the protective blade guard keeps the cutter safely stored away. This is a kitchen cabinet organizer that helps maximize space in cluttered cabinets and pantries. With shelves 2.75 inches deep, it's amazing for organizing pantry items like spices, soup cans, and sauces. While ideal for the kitchen, its uses extend beyond, making it great for organizing cosmetics, office supplies, and more. This is a 3-in-1 vegetable peeler set that includes a multifunctional Y-shaped peeler and a potato peeler. The set features upgraded precision stainless steel blades that are durable and sharp. The 3 peelers offer versatility: the standard blade for hard skins, the serrated blade for soft fruits, and the julienne blade for making vegetable salads. The potato peeler has a flexible blade and includes a built-in potato eye remover for easy prep. This is a 4-slice toaster that offers customizable toasting for everything from bread to bagels. With 6 browning levels, you can fine-tune your toast to match your preference, and the memory recall feature remembers your settings. It has extra wide slots to fit thicker slices and artisan breads easily. The cancel, defrost, and reheat functions make it versatile for different breakfast needs. This is an over-the-sink colander with a hollow-out design that helps water drain quickly, keeping your utensils dry and away from dirty water. Its handy design allows you to hang it to dry or store it on the wall, helping to keep your kitchen tidy. It's great for washing fruits and vegetables, draining pasta, or straining canned foods. This is the Duncan Egg Yolk Separator, a playful kitchen gadget designed with a basketball net theme for separating egg yolks from whites. Not just for eggs, this tool is versatile and can also be used for tasks like making poached eggs, meringues, or even for portion control. It brings a fun touch to your kitchen while being practical for various cooking needs. This is a dusting wand designed for turning and lifting vegetables, making it a handy tool for cooking, tossing, and transferring food. Its tongs lock closed for easy storage and feature sturdy brushed stainless steel construction for durability. The scalloped edges securely hold food, while the soft, comfortable, non-slip grips and thumb rests ensure a firm, comfortable hold. This is a salad spinner that makes washing and drying fruits and veggies super quick and easy. With a 5-quart capacity, you can prep larger batches in no time. The non-skid base keeps it stable during use, and the clear bowl can even double as a serving dish. You can add or drain water without taking off the lid, making it even more convenient. Plus, it's built to last with a lifetime warranty for peace of mind. This is a versatile kitchen tool that combines a wine opener, beer opener, and foil cutter all in one. Its strengthened corkscrew and hinges make it highly durable, ensuring it can handle multiple uses without bending or breaking. Designed to work with all types of corks, including synthetic and older ones, it's practical for any occasion. The compact size makes it easy to store or carry around, whether you're hosting at home or taking it on the go. This is a chicken chopper that makes shredding meat a simple task. You just put your meat inside, hold the handle, and rotate it to get perfectly shredded pieces. With 6 anti-slip pads on the bottom, it stays stable during use, and the ergonomic handle feels great in your hand. It's not just for chicken either. You can shred beef, pork, or turkey with ease. Plus, cleanup is quick since it's dishwasher safe, letting you enjoy your meal without the hassle. This is a milk frother that helps you create rich, creamy froth in seconds. Perfect for coffee lovers, it gives your lattes and cappuccinos that professional touch right at home. It's also great for mixing matcha tea and protein shakes without the mess of extra containers. Made with durable materials, this frother works with all types of milk and is easy to clean. Just rinse it under hot water and you're good to go. This quirky fridge deodorizer is not just functional, it's fun too. Shaped like an adorable mushroom, it absorbs odors with baking soda, keeping your fridge smelling fresh. It's easy to set up. Just add the baking soda, place it in the fridge, and let it do the work. Plus, it's made from safe, food-grade materials and is dishwasher friendly. If you're looking for a cute and practical way to tackle kitchen odors, this little gadget is a great pick. This set of 48 food storage containers is ideal for organizing your kitchen. With 2 sizes and lids that fit all, they're perfect for meal prep, leftovers, or even storing raw ingredients. The containers are microwave, freezer, and dishwasher safe, making them versatile for everyday use. Made from BPA-free materials, they can handle hot and cold temperatures with ease. Plus, the durable, reusable design offers excellent value, ensuring you get the most out of every use. This ice tray is designed with practicality in mind, featuring a silicone-wrapped steel rim for added strength and easy filling. Crafted from high-quality BPA-free silicone, it meets the strictest European food-grade standards and is dishwasher safe. Each tray produces 12 1.25-inch cubes, ideal for chilling your drinks without diluting them. The lid keeps ice fresh and free from freezer odors, while also allowing for convenient stacking. Plus, the individual molds make it easy to pop out a single cube without hassle or mess. If you're looking for a safer, more durable popcorn popper, silicone is a great alternative to glass. Unlike fragile glass poppers, silicone ones are break-resistant and safer for handling, especially for families with kids. The Popco popcorn popper evenly distributes heat for perfectly popped kernels with minimal effort. Just add your kernels, oil, and seasonings, then pop it in the microwave. Made from BPA-free, food-grade silicone, it's a toxin-free option that's easy to store with its collapsible design and dishwasher-safe for quick cleanup. Keep your kitchen clean and organized with this dual spoon holder set designed to hold 2 XL utensils at once. Its neutral color easily complements most kitchen styles. Cleaning is a breeze. Food residues slide right off the non-stick silicone surface, and it's dishwasher safe for deeper cleaning. Heat resistant up to 446 degrees, shatterproof and touch safe, it's built for durability without overheating on your stovetop. The non-slip, scratch-free design makes it perfect for any surface, from glass stovetops to marble counters.